Hey guys, back again. Well, this is the third time I'm going to be talking about hiccups because I think well, when it happened again, I was like so beat off. Like hiccups third time isn't great at all, or maybe fourth. I'm not really sure. But every time hiccups comes back, I mean, it just doesn't feel great at all. It feels terrible. And the third time it happened to me, I was like so really peed off with it though. I mean, I like hiccups the third time just doesn't feel great at all, and it's never going to be great after all in the end because you definitely know having hiccups isn't a great feeling after all. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.